What's up guys, it's TechBolt and you've already seen the thumbnail, so let's head straight into the video. I promise you by the end of this video I'll show you how to mine Bitcoin with just $2. Now the realm of the S21 Ultra is coming to an end as a few leaks of the S22 is already out. Now it's said that it will come with a 6.1 inch display and will be able to reduce its refresh rate from 120 Hz in order to save from 120 to 1 Hz in order to save battery health, which means it changes its refresh rate based on the app you're using. It might also come with a quad HD display too. One of the biggest rumors is that the S22 will also come with an S Pen, which means we shouldn't be expecting a Note 20 Ultra, a Note 21 Ultra anytime soon. Now, a leak points that Samsung is releasing a 65 watt fast charger. We hope it comes in the box this time, because the other time we're just giving a packaging without a charger, claiming that it's more eco-friendly. So I hope this time around we get a charger in the box. Another thing we should be expecting is a bigger battery on the S22 Ultra, obviously, because it's an S22 Ultra, so we should expect a bigger battery. Now, while other phones have been trying to shrink their front-facing camera, Samsung has managed to develop an under-display camera that enables true full screen display for videos and gaming. So it's pretty good for intense gaming for my gamers out there, and those of you that like watching YouTube videos and other videos. I know you notice my hands are been on the camera. It's because I'm in a car, so it's not stable to just leave it. It will likely fall off. And also it comes with a 50 megapixel main camera at the front, 12 megapixel ultra wide and telephoto lens. It's been reported that Samsung is now working on an 8K on an 8K video with 60 frames per second. So it's really good for those people that have an 8K TV. You already have the feeling of what this phone is gonna look like, and really it's gonna be intense. We also know that Samsung has partnered with Olympus for a better camera, so it said that we're going to get a 200 megapixel camera, but I don't think it's possible, or rather I think Samsung will just modify its 108 megapixel and put in the S22 Ultra. And it's also said in the leaks that Samsung S22 Ultra is going to be thinner than the S21 Ultra. Oh god, it's so hot in here. And it will start selling at $1,199. And also, if you need straight to the point videos or contents like this, why not subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. It's rumored to be released at 28th January 2022. I don't know how sure that is, but that's what I saw on the internet. All the information I got is from the internet. And now, performance, it will likely come with I think what I saw was 16 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of internal storage, not the initial 2 terabytes of internal storage. It's gonna come with 1 terabyte of internal storage. It's pretty big actually. You can fit all your files in there. It has much more RAM than most laptops or PCs. And a new report from Samsung Mobile has tipped off that the S22 Ultra will come with an alleged AMD graphics power and will be an Xbox gaming phone. So guys, this will be like a mobile Xbox gaming console. So whoa, it's a lot to expect from this S22 Ultra. So guys, what you're expecting on the S22 Ultra, you can leave your opinion on the comments. Please check and review my former videos to rate how badly they are on the comment section too, and I'll see them and take correction. Until then guys, I'll see you in my next video.